Assalamu alaikum. If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Moreover, for appreciation, like our video and share it with your friends. You can also comment below giving your suggestions. Now let's start today's video. The articles. The a or an are the articles in the English language. The definite articles. Its uses. The is the definite article. Its uses are explained below. The is used to point out or refer to a noun. The student sitting there is my friend. Where are the oranges I had brought? These placed before a singular noun when the noun represents its complete class. The hare runs fast. This sentence means hares run fast. The elephant is not as dangerous as the lion. We like the mangoes. The potato is exported by us. We export the potato. Note: we do not place the before man and woman when they represent the whole class. Women is strong in the head and heart. Man is not so happy today. It means all men and all women are not so happy today. Man represents the whole human race. When man and woman are used together, they refer to their sexes. Don't think man is wiser than woman. These placed before an adjective of quality like honest, poor, proud, etc. to give it the meaning of a noun in the plural number. The honest people succeed in the long run. It is the true, the hardworking, and the faithful that take a country to heights of glory. The late refers to someone who is dead. The late president was a man of parts. Who does not know his late sister? The late Mr. Goldsmith. These placed before an adjective in the superlative third degree. The tallest building, the most useful person. She is the ablest teacher in our college. The cannot be used when an adjective in the superlative degree is preceded by a possessive pronoun. Her greatest asset is knowledge, not beauty. He is our most beloved leader. Their worst fear proved true when they were attacked by robbers in the darkness. The is used as an adverb in sentences like these. The easier the question, the quicker the reply. The sooner you come, the better it will be. The greater the height, the cooler the air. The is placed before the names of newspapers, books, ships, rivers, mountains, etc. The nation, the news, newspapers, the travels of Marco Polo, a travelogue, the poems of pleasure, a book of poems. But when a proper noun alone is the title, the will not be used. I have read Ivanhoe and Tipu Sultan novels. Have you read Anarkali, a play? Qualities or abstract nouns as titles will not take the. Pride and Prejudice and Great Expectations are marvelous novels. When the is implied, contained inside in the title, they will not be used. Dawn has the largest circulation in Karachi. Dawn meaning the beginning of the day. The Tipu Sultan, a ship, the Ravi, the Himalayas, the Pacific Ocean, the Bay of Bengal, etc. These placed before words indicating directions and before heavenly bodies that have an internal reference. The earth, the world, the moon, the body which moves around the earth. the east, the north, the south, west. But a proper name of a heavenly body will not take the definite article. Saturn is much larger than Venus. Mars made its closest approach to the Earth in 60,000 years in August 2003, when it was just 5 crore 57 millions 60,000 and 220 kilometers away.